Hey guys, welcome back. Here are all the items you'll need for this video. We're going to start off with some Marley hair. Then we're going to start off with a curly bundle, whatever your desired length is, a latch hook. I have some bobby pins I didn't show, and then of course a scrunchie. And let's get into it. So first I'm starting off by putting my hair into a ponytail for this style. I'm going to separate my ponytail. I'm going to do a front ponytail and a back ponytail. In the end, they're going to both be combined. But the reason I'm going to separate it is because my hair is shorter in the back. And if you do it this way, everything will all go into one. Now that I have my ponytail, I'm just going to wrap some Marley hair around that bun to give it a nice... I was going for a top knot ponytail, so it's not going to be too big or fluffy. I kind of like my buns to be really skinny, but I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to do two bundles of Marley hair to try to make it full because, as I said, I like it to be kind of skinny, but not too skinny. You don't want to make it look like your bun is suffering, but you'll see what I'm going for. So right here, I'm sliding the latch hook underneath my lock, and I'm going to put the hair on the latch hook, and then I'm going to close it. I don't know if you can see, got to pay attention though. I'm going to close it, and then after I close it, I'm going to slide it through. With the hair still attached, everything is closed, slid through. Boom, there we go. Open the latch hook, and then you're going to put the hair through that loop.
Sometimes I just want to dance with you. Hold me like this. Just rock with me. Put your arms
Y'all don't have to add that piece in the bun. I was just being extra. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you guys next time.